In this video, I'll show you how to change Discord server image. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Discord, right? This is our Discord, and currently, if you look here, you can see the image that's currently in this Discord server, right? I created this server. This is the source server. So if you love to change the Discord server image, just click on this, right? Edit channel. Okay, yeah, no, not this. Click on this, right? You're gonna see the server settings. Click on the server settings. Once it has opened up, you're gonna see change server icon, right? So if I click on this right now, you're gonna be given a whole lot of options to select from, right? Okay, let me say if I want to use this as my Discord server image, I just click on it, click on the open. Then right down you can see careful, you have on saved changes. I'll click on the save changes, right? And yeah, I'm gonna change this server image. If you look right now, okay, let me see. If I refresh my Discord server right now, you're gonna see, yeah, okay, hope you can see it right now. Yeah, okay, I'll just wait for it to load up so as you see it very well, right? So yeah, so right now if you look here, you're gonna see I just changed this Discord server image, right? This is basically how you can do this. If you found this video, appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.